Okay, we're looking at the outside of a 2013 XLR Viper edition, model number 305 with a 10-foot garage. We have the generator on right now, which has 66 hours on it. The gel coat is perfect. The stickers are perfect. We have two ACs up top. We have the real nice magnesium wheels filled with nitrogen. We have the 50 amp cord. We have the 2 battery system. Stereo on the outside, awning on the outside, power awning. This has the double pane windows. These are the best windows you can get right here. We have levelers in the rear. This is made by Forest River. You got the ladder there. You have the fill station for your fuel, for your generator and your ATVs. Again, the beautiful windows. Perfect gel coat, perfect stickers, no leaks. If you notice in the toy hauler area, it's got the automatic beds, and it also had a full cover. The guy had a full cover on this whole thing. I think that was $500 for that cover, and that goes with it. There's a picture. Look at the picture, you'll see one. Beautiful, beautiful unit. And I believe the weight, I think you can do not an F-150, but you can do an F-250 with this. The weight is 12,000 pounds. So if you have one of the new 150 trucks out that Dodge has, that can do 12,700 pounds, you could actually pull this. Wow, what a beautiful unit. 2013 Forest River XLR toy hauler Viper series, model number 305 with the 10-foot garage, outside stereo, power awning outside, 50 amp cord, perfect gel coat, perfect stickers, Aluma cage construction, cold weather package. I don't know what else. It's got everything. Power levelers and 66 hours on the 5500 only end generator. All right, we'll do another one of the inside here.